quarter wire. Just take the cutter cup here. Let's stand there now. Quarter wire cutter. One we go, sir. Yeah.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then. Want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Inline back with this.
Yeah, yeah.
So inline include back with this.
Yeah, yeah.
So let's from this to the box.
Yeah.
Yo.
I'ma just tell him I want.
Daddy. Searching man, searching daddy. Like a bus off a bus. Well, they're going to play on that side.
But boom, when I use the hammer, I'm bust it up first. Use the hammer, man. And broke it down. Rasta Jackson. Rasta Jackson, watch this, watch this. Max,
Get back to me. Bao mấy nè, quay lì tí.
eh? Yeah.
That's car that's exposed, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
I want to walk in, I want to walk in, I got in.
Energy boom. Yeah, energy boom, the energy gas.
Watch your back, I'm boss out in fire sign.
The pickaxe in this side of the bench. I hear one.
Yeah?
The pickaxe in the other bench. This man. Alright, hold on.
Up in here. Look, come on. Draw the card, man. There. Line there.
Right,
draw.
tight.
Yeah. Mark it right. This.
Yeah, man. Enjoy it.
You got to take a piece of this. Messi there. Messi there. Where the board? Where make the board?
Where? Up in that there. Oh. Come on, the ball. Why got when you start drop them two legs? Beat out, but I got beat out. And pickles drop on it. Ravel.
We shovel them, we shovel them.
Shovel them round.
Where the salary park?
What you say?
Painter with slash, show them strength, painter, what them feel like. Strength in the hand and the cup alone. Tell them painter, it's not the cup alone, the strength in the strength in the hand. Wait, show me them there.
You must send me.
I'm going for them.
Quarter wire. Don't take the cutter cup here.
I'm going for it.
Yeah.
Quarter wire cutter. Yeah.
Oh, Terry.
Let's go.
Yeah.
No far go for man, rape and bullet shoot. So get there, man.
Painter drop pickaxe. Rum lad with the strength in them finger as well too. So you see it? Yeah. Painter. Strength, wait tell them say strength. Painter the energy. Energy. Painter sweat. Painter how was that?
Wonderful.
Yes, you can continue.
Yeah, man.
Alright then. Painter say you can continue. We have Natish in the building. cool now.
I finish up some washing.
Yeah. Happy on the shovel. Go and clear out the rubble. Light parts on the wire them. They say I gotta bind them up, white parts.
Yeah, I tied them up.
See you well.
I really touch.
No, man, so we are doing it.
You give me it a while ago, see me. Come here to say, you want to fit up, you want to rub. See, you want to go fight. You want to go fight. Them not around there. You must have done come to them when you did that work. You must have wanted to.
What then?
So bend the iron them. You look at them.
Oh. You get the cut them?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, man, there in the kino.
Zaka, zo.
The kino, the kitchen, you know.
You know it goes. So the work I put in and the work continue. So today look like Milan, like the pot is very interested today. Very interesting. You know. Very interesting today. Colorful. Wow, chef, they say you are red, green and gold.
Yeah, man, because the seafood that's in my deal, you know.
The
Yeah, man, the seafood is in my deal, you know. Red, gold and green, look on it. Watch it pretty, look how pretty. Red, green and the gold, watch it. Irish and watch it.
And the whole pot yellow already.
Watch it, blood.
Magical with more butter on it.
Some of the fish is nice already. Yeah, the water with garlic. Alright, garlic. Ginger and we're not Mr. 40 then, Magic. We're not Mr. 40.
Yeah, so,
Yeah, man.
So that and that tonight.
And the most thing this right now, the important thing, this is the thing right now, the seafood. It's the shrimp, you know?
The shrimp.
Yeah, man, the shrimp, man, the red, gold and green poop on it, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, come back now.
Colorful.
Yeah, man, see there, we have the carrot, we have the okra, we have the Irish, we have the pepper, we have the butter, we have the scallion, we have everything, you know, we have 2 different type of green in it. Yeah, man, we have 2 different type of gold in it. That's what rich, you know.
So you have different type of green and different type of
Yeah, we have 2
gold.
type of gold in it, I have 2 type of green.
So you have rose
We have
gold.
the green, the okra, and we have the green, the scallion.
Okay, so you have lime
So we have
green,
the gold, you know, the carrot.
rose gold.
Yeah, the gold, the carrot, look how the water look. And the gold, you know, we have the Irish, you know. People know what the Irish, man, because it represent, you know what the Irish represent? We get the grade we get thicker, because it's Irish.
Yeah.
And from slavery days we eat Irish.
Cheer.
The Irish come from England.
Yeah.
England, we get the Irish come from England.
History time now.
Yeah, man, Irish come from England.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if they put Irish there, I think it melt out proper, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
History.
Yes, I say, yeah, man.
History. So
Yeah,
on the big pot right next to the shrimp pot.
Yeah, so all them things in Africa, all them things come from, so they represent Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So we have the big pot right next to the shrimp
Shrimp
pot.
pot, you see
And in
that?
the big pot,
Showpiece.
we got
Pass
the
it, pass the big spoon for me.
Rosa that say, yo,
Yeah.
if you cook shrimpies
Whoa,
for
John,
your
no.
guy,
You know some of our Rosa Rose.
never tell a Netherlands.
You have a number? Rosa Rose
I
flavor.
know it's true, shrimpies. What shrimpies can do.
A Jamaica flavored food this differently.
Favorite.
Differently.
Yeah, boy,
Jamaican
I'm
people.
Yeah.
Most woman.
Love.
Yeah, man, love soupies, but we not put no pit still in one there.
No.
I want
So-
a chicken back,
Yeah.
national back,
Yeah.
and chicken and steppers.
And steppers.
Some of them salt beef.
And salt beef.
Some of them salt beef.
Alright, we'll go back again. Jamaica #1 thing in a chicken back.
Chicken back. The strength.
Here I have steppers. I have the
Salt beef.
alright. When I put a pit still, like when I cook for a whole couple ladies, a couple ladies in the team. So
Yeah.
and the ladies I'm ready, we get them soupies if they want pit still, but now you say that cook.
You can't cook as a cook.
But the stove was a door and the pot up there, so alright.
Yeah.
I know me, I want
Yeah,
to
that's-
cook it.
So,
Yes, it-
so them like about soupies, we come here, so we come with the chicken,
Foot and the back.
the back part, chicken foot and the back.
Back.
We can drop a little piece of salt beef in it and it's done.
And
You know, I look at cow skin, because when I for the cow skin, because you know why?
the steppers.
The steppers, yeah man, the steppers, but you know when I for the cow skin, all the energy the cow skin give it kind of thick.
Yeah.
They hold on it to a certain hold on by your hand. See that? Yeah man. It's
true.
a good man.
That go down.
Yeah man.
It's a simmer down.
So thick, man.
See it?
Watch it.
Get in there.
Look a bit of rice in your plate and enough stew. You don't want no more. When I tell you look a bit of rice and like 2 or 3 spoons, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pure
Man,
stew.
yeah.
Rosa Rose say, I know it's true.
This one.
What shrimpies can do.
It's make me walk in town. Run and run.
Yo.
Yeah, if you cook the shrimp, you didn't mind them say, ladies. Rosa Rose say, if you cook the shrimpies for your
Go down
guy,
in the people.
you know, Rosa Rose say, if you cook the shrimpies for your guy, he will never tell another lie. Ask Rosa Rose why. You see me? Not me, him said. Him say if you cook stew peas for your guy, which is your man or your husband, anything you ask him try for lie, him can't lie. Just because
I
it's
know
stew
why him
peas.
says so.
We don't know why. Rosa Rose say.
Yeah,
So the man say, see the
Yeah man, because this,
yeah.
these are the natural stew peas.
Because
This is the hype up one. Where you put pig's tail, cow skin.
Yeah. So the dream team one.
This is the dream team one. Chicken, the national chicken back. And the steppers.
and the steppers. And some of them salt beef.
I know, you know chicken back being national in a Jamaica.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
It eat every day. People eat chicken back. And
Every
chicken.
day.
Every day people eat chicken back. That's why it be national dish.
Yeah, man.
And every day people eat saltfish, you know. You can't get ackee every day. So
So
national dish that for me right now.
showpiece not
Yeah.
there for your team. That them say them want.
I mean the government need to change
Yeah.
it. Put it as a national dish, you know.
Yeah, yeah,
They
Take
them
a
say
black
them want.
yak
So
and table. Take a black
and that's
yak
how we
and
do today.
yeah.
Yes, it is.
Today is a bit different. Today.
Yeah.
So there's no national
white
dish by
rice.
itself, there's no chicken by itself,
Self,
nothing else by itself more than stew
Stew.
itself. You know,
Yes,
stew with a lot of
Team
peas.
say them want something different. You see, in a long time you don't eat it.
Alright, so you know for this meal, I got big up love from a distance.
Love from
My
a
God.
distance.
Yeah,
Love from a distance.
love from a distance.
All the
I
while.
leave my father distant that over there so close.
Yeah.
Distant, distant, like that.
No, you know the distance. Cause all the while me hear the name there.
Love from a distance.
Love from near.
Whoa,
Yeah.
Jesus.
Love from near.
Yeah,
Blessed love again.
Love from near.
Cause always hear your name. You
Yeah,
see,
man.
you keep on let the dream team going.
Yeah.
Love from
see?
there.
Yeah.
Enough
Yeah.
love and all for respect.
One for love and respect.
Big up yourself, love from
Yeah,
London.
yeah.
Alright,
Love him, love.
Yeah,
Actually, I love people.
from London as well, you know.
Yeah,
So
I love people.
love is a special thing. you know.
Yeah, can be a magic love people, especially
Yeah.
girls.
Whoa.
Love, yes, and
You
that's
see,
it. Yeah.
love. And I love
people.
conquer the world.
So yeah,
Always.
love. Never always remember your name, it can't come out of me.
No. You see, love from near. Come on, like the distant thing.
Love you.
Love from near. Cause you always the near.
Yeah.
And I ever dream thing.
Yeah, love so
Blessed love in London.
Yeah, man, blessed
Keep yourself
love.
safe. You see, and make sure you
Big up a friend of London, you know.
alright
Yeah,
and
man.
secure.
A nice, nice friend of London, you see.
Be safe to like how you be safe and full of love.
Yeah,
Blessed love.
yeah,
Big
man.
up a friend of London, man.
Yes, yes.
So we give thanks, man. Give thanks to the stew peas and the shrimp on the side.
Yeah.
Show
Blessings
peas,
to
you
love
know.
man.
from a distance.
Love from near.
From a distance.
It's true peas. I have to buy them food for out of Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Real stew peas. I don't talk about a ghetto stew peas.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
If you want a real stew peas, because I don't eat certain stew peas.
Yeah, man, a
But
real
that
thing.
thing I like.
yeah,
You think a certain thing I eat and certain thing I don't.
yeah.
All the first choppies I can do, you know. You
Yeah.
can do chicken back.
But for buy that
Yeah,
guys, I
man.
know the ingredients and cook
I
it.
can do turkey neck.
Thank you
Choppies, I
for
can do
it.
turkey neck, choppies and chicken food.
Yeah.
Chicken back.
And how you cook stew.
But you're not gonna pit still like no
You're not
pork.
going to pick still
And a
tonight.
rare,
That's good.
you see,
Yeah.
that good.
Can't work.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you call that natural choppies, barefoot. No, barefoot.
Yeah.
Like now in the slippers, barefoot
Yeah,
choppies I call it.
yeah. Like the cowboy show there.
Yeah, barefoot. They are
Barefoot.
real choppies.
Yeah.
The pits in the put. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, my love from a distance, love you, you know.
Alright
Love
then.
myself.
Nothing but love,
Yeah,
love,
I love
love.
myself, I love you from a distance.
Now the wow chef and Zaga Zaga's house,
Yeah,
so
man,
them now love it from.
love you from a distance.
Them say I love it from near.
Yeah, man.
You keep it active because we don't cook already, you know.
Go on, I tell you. Go on, the
Don't cook
choppies, yeah.
already. You
The
see?
choppies are gone.
Gone at the dream team back.
You can't guarantee every girl on the street wants some of that stew
You know,
peas.
baby, gone away like we are bringing the gun away, you know. See, my team members sit down and I eat them.
We mean as it run, it gone.
Yeah.
It gone, they matter.
The 2 pot of rice I put on, you know. Look up on the car and share, you know.
You see?
Yeah.
So that part you done already, because that done.
Done already, so that done, take off and get on the next one.
Next
The
one.
one they can go and shit till the one they done.
Yeah,
Yeah. So love from near.
3 pounds of gun in the one day. I
Give
put 5 in
thanks.
the one day.
yeah.
Give thanks unto all the doing of them in the world.
Big up
Blessed
on
love.
Love from me, enough love, yeah,
Alright,
enough
it's
love.
blessings, blessings,
Enough love.
blessings and give thanks, love from a distance. Provide a meal
Love from a distance.
from the dream team today, you know.
So me not have a love
Give
shirt, you
thanks
see it, you know.
from London.
Yeah, man.
You know, I love we deal with
Look
most.
at
Still can
yourself.
show you love, you know.
See,
Yeah.
we love we deal with.
Nothing
One
but
man,
love.
say one love.
One heart.
Alright then, dream
Bless
team.
One.
Who love me
team.
have my heart, you know.
Yes.
Twice my thing there.
Yeah, not once,
Yeah, man.
twice.
Twice, the man I said, New York.
Twice
Twice.
I love and I love from, you know.
Alright then. Distance.
Yeah, man, Kina.
Okay, that's the end of the scene.
Oh, you know, I took off from further on.
All five.
Yeah.
All five. Roots in energy. The first time I take out like that, all 55 like it.
The one I want to see go for now. To 5 black half road. And now I'm going to stop the other side.
Yeah, that's where the water come from. Okay, cool. Maya. Well, over there.
should be here, man. Yeah, sure. That should be real, no?
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.